Hey, this is Jesus with TEXA USA. Behind me, I have a 2026 Volvo CX-90. And today we're going to use IDC6 with TEXA's multi-factor authentication to unlock the security gateway. To unlock security gateway on this Volvo, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a MyTEXA account and an authenticator app. If you don't have a MyTEXA account, you can click on the link inside of the description to show you how to register for one. Seeing as how I do have an account, we're just going to go ahead and sign in. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and hook up the VCI. Today we are using the TEXA TXT2 multi-hub. Okay, so we're going to get into the forward sensing ADAS system just to show you as an example for any system that you want to get into to unlock the security gateway. So it's going to want you to turn on the instrument panel. For certain vehicles, there's a certain procedure. It's not as simple as just pressing a button, but TEXA tells you how to do it properly for each one. Okay. Inside of here, now we're at the page where it tells you about the authenticated diagnosis. And it says right here, to carry out this operation, you must be authenticated and have an active internet connection throughout the entire session. Proceed with the authentication. We're going to go ahead and hit confirm. All right, I am already signed in as one of the users, so let's go ahead with the login. And this will be to access it. Okay, so on this page, you'll see that it says, enter the verification code from the authenticator app. Now, that's gonna be the same authenticator app that we told you to download, which is part of the MyTEXA registration. You can use either the Google Authenticator or you can use Microsoft Authenticator. So, from the authenticator page, you're gonna go ahead and click on the tab for TEXA External. And once you open that up, it's going to give you a 6-digit code, which changes roughly every 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and enter the code that I have for right now. Hit checking. It's going to process the info. All right. Now it's going to ask us if we want to unlock security gateway. We said yes, and there you have it. It says authenticated diagnosis, has me as a user, Jesus, and gateway is unlocked. So we're ready to go ahead and do some testing. Once you have unlocked the security gateway for one module and you're still inside the session, you're not going to have to re-enter the code every single time you go into a different system, like the ABS or the climate control or the engine system. It'll remain unlocked for you until you exit out of IDC6. All right, and this completes the procedure on unlocking the security gateway for this Volvo. This does also work for other European brands, but for a complete list of security gateway unlocks and how to do it, you can visit the TEXA USA website.